Hello, this is Greg with Automotive Smart Pay. Would you like to learn how to accept credit cards for only 10 bucks a month? That's right, all fees included, no PCI fees or anything else. The reason we're able to do that is with our free Deja Vu dual pricing system. It has a card and a cash price, and it shows both prices to the customer so they can tap and choose. It utilizes a dual pricing system and adds on the flat 3% fee no matter what kind of card they hand you. Let's type in a transaction for $100, tap sale, customer facing, card and cash price. They will tap however they want to pay. Then they can use their smartphone, Apple Pay, Google Pay, Android Pay. It doesn't matter, it accepts them all. Next morning funding, no contracts. Give me a call or send me a text, 801-205-1955. It's a really cool system. You can also go to automotivesmartpay.com and check it out for yourself. Waiting for your call or your text. We'll talk soon.